Rogers Ahama no mu batwire bari kuteganisa ubwo burero bw'umutwe kandi ogu twashanga ari kucyamura abandi bwa nyuma yo kugaruka mu mbeera ezeza burijo. Nagira ngo akaba ari umunyunambe mwenda bwa nyuma yiza kurwara umutwe kandi ahamya ka 39 takatungere na mukazi.
Practically, to say them practically, I've had programs that have helped me to recover. First of all, we have the 12 steps program. This is a program, I don't know how I can explain this program, but this is a program that comes to you. Now, these 12 steps, there is one that has to bring you, you have to allow, to accept. That's why if someone comes and he has not yet experienced the worst in life, sometimes they are wasting time. So this program, number one, it brings you to the place where you fed up. But now, it says now you have known. The program says now you have known.
Okuza kugaruka mu buteka ogwa kakwatu haba kugwa abe kitongole cha Tumuka ekitari cha government.
So I came to Tumuka. Now when I came to Tumuka, I found out something. I found out that in Tumuka, I had never even heard of rehabilitation centers. But I found out that actually alcohol wasn't the problem for me. The problem was depression. The problem was self-pity. Actually the problem was my character defects.
Ataba abantu kuba kwiza nbabareta amigo. Kuba kwiza tubanza tubatere imibazi abamwiba kumanya nka sedation babanza bahumuraho. Then twiza tubarabyo mu program iba kwita the 12 steps. 12 steps nituba reorientinga kugira ngo betegereze uburwire bwabo.
Omuriyeki batungere no bukugo mirimo y'emikono hamwe no kubashemeza.
Nyamarwa mane bitokoza bongo kamijaji n'injayi naki ngahati impshira uruyo rumbuiroho cyinshi byenda ngeni nyengera size
abamwe no basa kushanga umuntu yarwara umutwe utakubasa kwetegereza bwinshi yarwara umutwe ushange maybe mu family yabo hari abantu bakurwara umutwe kuko kumanya n'iki kintu kireka.
Okuchondozo kwakoze ure kitongole cye byamagaro mwaka ogu Uganda ina abantu miliyoni 14 bino burwire bw'emitwe obukureto kunyamarwa ensimbo enjayi hamwe nebindi. Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.